trained in Lidcombe.
Lidcombe?
Yeah, and then on the Bankstown. Yeah.
Lap number 1. Lidcombe.
Thank you, mate. Platform 1. Turn slower. Go in, Matthew, go in. Permit. Can you recall me on the train? When they get from the time they get the ramp out on. Thank you.
The train on platform 1 goes to Hornsby via Gordon. First stop Lidcombe, then Strathfield, Redfern, Central, Town Hall, Wynyard, Milton Point, North Sydney, then all stations
Lidcombe. Yeah. Been busy today? School holidays?
Thank you.
We're going to wait right here.
Port beer?
On this side, I can't hold on this side. You know that? Now, falls off.
The next train to arrive on platform 2 goes to Kenny. First stop Westmead, then 7
I hope you pay for your ticket to get on the train.
all stations in Kenny. Smoking and vaping is not allowed at this station or on trains.
4 minutes. on the footback is sticker. It's a flower. Whenever I get on Ashfield, I hate it because school kids hang in the middle. And despite the fact that they're cracking stuff and movies, they just stand there. It's always the Port Street High School. Just stand there like, you can, there's like so many seats down there at the table. So when I get in, I'm like, excuse me, they don't move, so I run over the phone. Give it a film. It's junior.
The train on platform 1 goes to North Sydney via Central. First stop, Granville, then Lidcombe, Strathfield, Redfern, Central, Town Hall, Wingham, Wilson's Point, and North Sydney.
Thank you.